Hello everyone and welcome back. Hope you guys doing great. Today we're going to set the static IP address using command prompt on our Windows PC, and also we are going to set the static primary and secondary DNS on our interface as well. So before we are going to set this IP address, we need to find some details about the interface, about our not only one interface, about the interfaces in our Windows PC. So we are going to click on the start menu. So I'm going to type this cmd and run this as administrator. So the first command that here we're going to type is this netsh interface show interface. So as you can see, it's going to show me all these interfaces, which is Wi-Fi and Ethernet. So the second command is going to be this netsh interface IP version 4 show addresses. So this is going to show me all these addresses with my interfaces. So also here the second command is going to be this netsh interface, and we are going to type this IP show config. So it's going to show me all this configuration with my interface. So now I'm going to use arrow keys to bring this previous command, which is netsh interface show interface, was going to show me all this interface names. So I want to assign IP address on my Wi-Fi, which is this interface, which is y-fi. So I'm going to type this netsh and interface IP version 4, and we're going to type this set address, and we're going to type this name equal to with quotation mark, which is going to be this Wi-Fi. So by name we can select the interface, so we're going to select this Wi-Fi. So with this quotation mark, and I'm going to type this static, and the source IP is going to be 192.168.1.200. so I'm going to type the subnet. So if you watch videos on our channel, you can find that we used to assign IP address from class A, B, and also C. For the class C, it's going to be this 255.255. I think we add the extra 5, so we're going to delete that. So 255.0. So I'm going to type the default gateway here, which is 192.168.1.1. so I'm going to hit enter. So let me use the arrow keys to bring this netsh interface show netsh interface IP show config. So I'm going to hit enter. As you can see, this IP, which is 192.168.1.200, is set to this Wi-Fi. So as you can see, also the subnet. So now I want to set the static primary DNS. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type this netsh interface, and after that I'm going to type this IP version 4 and set address, and I think for DNS we have to set this to DNS. We don't have to set this address. So we're going to type this set DNS name, and we're going to select our interface. So here I'm going to select the interface as well. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to type this static, and also we are going to add the public DNS, which is 4.2.2.2. so I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, it's going to set the DNS, which is going to be this primary DNS. So now I want to add the secondary DNS. So I'm going to use arrow keys to bring the command here. So what we are going to do with this DNS, that we are going to remove this static here, and also we are going to change this set. We are going to change it to add. So netsh interface IP version 4 add DNS name equal to the interface name, and we're going to type the secondary DNS, which is 8.8.8.8, and also we are going to add this index, and we are going to add it equal to 2. So we're going to hit enter. So now we are going to use this niche interface IP show config. So here, as you can see, this is the primary DNS, and also this is the secondary DNS. So now we assigned a static IP address on our Wi-Fi. So as you can see, we now connected to the internet as well. So let me show you one more tips that here is going to help you a lot with this niche command. So if I'm going to type this niche on the command prompt, so if I'm going to hit enter, so as you can see, it's going to open me a niche here, which is going to be all this niche command. So here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to type this help, and I can find all these commands with this niche. So simply I can just type here. As you can see here, we have this show and set. So I'm going to type this show. So when you're going to type this show here, so it's going to show you this help show modes, and it's going to show you all these with this niche command. So here, if I want to type this interface, so if let me scroll up so I can show you here, we have this interface as well. So I'm going to type this interface. So again, as you can see, we are inside this niche interface. So here I'm going to again type this help, so I can just find all these commands. So now I can find this IP version 4 here. So simply I'm going to type this IP version 4. So I'm inside this niche interface IP version 4. So here again I'm going to use this help. So here, as you can see, it's going to show me this this show, and I can see this IP version 4, and I can see this show. If I'm going to type this show, it's going to show me that I want to see this show config, show addresses. So I want to see this show config. So show, if I'm going to hit enter, so again it's not going to show me anything because I have to type this show config. So as you can see, this is really the easiest technique that we can use to use this command. If you didn't remember this net interface command, so simply you can just type the niche and you can just go with the help command, so you can find all these commands with the niche. So this is how we use this command prompt to set IP address statically on our Windows PC. So hope you guys enjoy this video and you learn how to do it on your Windows PC. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys until next video.